Steel from Buffalo. Car number 103, Jacob Lusick from Lancaster. Car number 95 is going to be Andy Bucati from Lancaster. Woo! Car number 98 is going to be Joseph Keller from East Amherst. Car number 100 is going to be Jacob Swinarski from Hamburg. Car number 90, that's going to be Jason Garland from Lakeview. Car number 96 is going to be David Skinner from Boston. Car number 92, that one there is going to be Greg Urban from Buffalo. Car number 91 is going to be Tyler Urban from Buffalo. Car number 99 is going to be John Zajac from Erie. And that right there looks to be it. All right, so Tim is making sure everybody's in place. Knows the deal on air. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, once again, my great pleasure to turn the mic over to Jay Milligan Jr.
All right, the following cars for best appearing car, pull one car length forwards or backwards. Car number 96, car number 91, car number 95, car number 103, car number 94, car number 102. All right, please applaud for one car only. Once again, for best appearing car, the driver that you think took the most time and detail in their paint job. First, car number 96. Next, car number 91. Again, drivers do not rev the engines. Next, car number 95.
Woo!
Next, 103. Yeah! Car number 94. Next, car number 102. No doubt about it, best appearing car, car number 94, Dylan Costa from Orchard Park.
Basic as shit.
All right, drivers, check your seatbelts, shoulder harnesses, helmet straps. Make sure everything is secure and tight. If you got a problem, raise your hand. It will help you out. All right, with a countdown, everyone, 10 to the word go. Let's hear it. 10, 9, 8. Go!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as they wind their way around the competition area here. Oh my! The 105, the back of that one unit that opened at number 96 car. Looking right now at the number 94 car, actually, he was your best appearing car, number 94. From Orchard Park, that's Dylan Costa, and right now, although it looks great, it's not running all that well. All right, so we've got them kind of at both ends of the track. Oh, that 105 is right behind. All right, so the 98 car catches a good hit from 105, but then the 99 slides in there and pretty much does the same thing to the 105 of Timothy Steele from Buffalo. All right, now, I like that 99 car. Done there. That's John Zajac from down the block So down on the turn number 1 end of the track, that would be the one on the right from the orientation of the tower. We've got 1, 2, the 99 car looking like he might be done. John Zajac, I'm just surprised he got as far as he did. The number 90 car, that's going to be Jason Garland. And he's in Lakeview, and he hasn't moved in quite some time. The number 91 car, Tyler Urban from Buffalo, he has not moved in quite a bit. And right now, the 96 car down there, David Skinner from Boston, he hasn't moved in. He's been on the front as well. Once again, if you are not unable to move, if you're unable to move, or particularly if you're unable or will not make a meaningful hit in 60 seconds, then you are pretty much out of the competition. That, of course, is a discussion of our track officials. All right, now the number 98 car, one of the smaller cars out there, Joseph Keller from East Amherst. Working on the number 95, the 92 is trying to get into the game here. The 101 and the 100, Jason Swinarski and Tracy Biddy. And now coming on back to the 103 car, kind of a nice looking car. And it looks like an old Ford LTD by the look of it. The number 103 car of Jason Luchin from getting the 102. The 102 is not moved there a little bit. I guess we can have to go pick on some of the yellow stuff. There we go. Making it down around here in the car 103. Jacob Luchik down the number 101 car. Mr. Tracy Bidding from Erie. Coming in and now now he is. All right, good kind of a pileup down here right in front of the tower. The 103 car, Jacob Luchin. The 101 car, Mr. Tracy Brady. Here comes the 103. The 95 might be, no, I thought it was hooked onto that white car there, but it's not. The number 95 car Andy Bukati from Lancaster. So we still have 6 cars in competition. We've got to get it down to 3. Kind of a mixture of 6-cylinder front-wheel drives and 8-cylinder rear-wheel drives. Remember, we got to get down to the last 3 drivers. They're automatically qualified into the feature event later on. Given the size disparity between the 104 and some of the rest of the cars that are out here, it's astonishing that he's still out here riding around. All right, so okay, we're going to have here not in the driver's door. Well, okay, now the 103 did the right thing there. He was backing on into the 101, but realized he was going to end up hitting that car in the driver's door, so he backed out. He got out of it. All right, we have the 104, the 100, and the 98 down here on my left. And we got the 195, the 103, and the 101 are trying to enter the fray now. So who is it going to be? You got to get her down to 3. Your last 3 drivers are going to receive $200 in cash, a trophy, and will compete in the featured event. And just like the others, we will get her down to 3 drivers and an alternate. And there's parts just flying off that 102 car. All right, here comes the 98 car in here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. All right. So the 95 car, the recipient of multiple hits from multiple cars all simultaneously. The driver of that car is Andy Bukati. But he's still going. So we got 4 cars now. The 98, I don't know. What do you think, Jeff? The 98 still going there, so I'm counting 5. And right, but hit the back door, not the front door, and there now on the 100 passenger door gets the 98. The number 95 car making around, the little 98 is going to try to trip him up and miss. All right, so let's see. Drivers are being encouraged to pick up the pace here a little bit. Still counting 5 cars in competition. All right, so now the 104 car is being advised that he needs to pick up the pace. All right, so we got the 1 to 95 to 103. All right, everybody stop, everybody stop, everybody stop. All right, so JM Motorsports Productions CEO and President is having a word with some of our drivers and going to ensure that everyone gets a fair shake here. I'm going to make sure that the people that are qualified into the championship belong there, and our drivers of the vehicles that are out of competition now are taking this opportunity to extricate themselves from the vehicle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. As soon as everybody's off the track, everybody's off the track. All right, here we go. Counting it down from 5, 5, 4, 3. And once again, and we're off. All right, the 95, the 103. Okay, now the 104 apparently got the message. But we still have the 98, the 100 down here on the far left. The 103 and the 95 kind of working on one another. The 103 looking like he's having a bit of an issue up under the hood there. Ooh. That was a close one there. Almost got the driver's door on the 98. They're all on the 95 by the 98. Okay, now the 104 and the 95 are going to try to hook them onto one of these derelict cars. That is actually a way by which you can eliminate competition. If you can hook a car onto a derelict car and that car can't move, well, if it can't move, it can't move, and then they're on the clock, and once their clock expires, even though it's not their own fault they can't move, they're done. All right, so once again, our Director of Competition, Tim Howard, company president, encouraging our drivers, come on, let's pick up the pace here, boys. We got to get down to 3. We have another show at 6 o'clock. All right, down to 4. So the 100, the 103, the 104, and the 95. Dylan Costa, Matt Battison, Jacob Swinarski, and Jacob Lucic. That's our remaining drivers. I think, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I think they just need a little bit of encouragement. How about a great big round of applause for our last cars in competition? Oh, you can do better than that. Come on. Great big round of applause. Thank you very much. All right, and that's it. That's it. It's looking like a